Hello everybody, my name is Andres Peñuela. This is a second activity, crime scheme. According to your analysis, answer the following question. What is the crime? The crime is a stolen bank. Describe the crime scene. Mr. and Mrs. Anderson were in the National Bank when two men come in with guns and stole over $1,000,000. What was the evidence? The evidence of the robbery are a cigarette, psychological report of Miss Burry, coffee cup with lipstick mark, Mrs. White's cell phone record, witness report. Which of the suspects do you consider was guilty? Explain why. I think the war was a helper of the robbery because they kept going to the bathroom and didn't guard the door properly. So, in my opinion, he helped the robber to go in the bank. Well, this is my presentation of the activity, the crime. See you everybody.